Your tap water likely contains dozens of unregulated chemicals that standard filtration misses entirely. Contaminants linked to serious health concerns that weren't present when most filter designs were created. These advanced undersink systems specifically target modern threats. I've researched their effectiveness against PFAS, pharmaceuticals, and microplastics to identify which filters truly protect your family. Links to the lowest price for each of the best undersink water filters are in the description box below. If you're looking for instant access to clean water right from your kitchen, the Waterdrop G 3P600 makes it easy. This tankless reverse osmosis system delivers a generous 600 gallons per day, so there's plenty for drinking, cooking, and even washing produce. You'll notice how quickly it fills an 8-ounce cup, about 8 seconds, making daily routines a breeze. Filtration performance is one of its main strengths. The G3P600 features an 8-stage filtration process that targets a wide range of contaminants, including lead, PFAS, fluoride, and heavy metals. It also tackles chemicals such as vinyl chloride and ethylhexyl acrylate, offering more than just basic water purification. The system includes a smart display faucet, which brings a bit of tech into your kitchen. You'll see real-time water quality and filter life directly from the faucet, so you know exactly when to swap filters and how clean your water is. Maintenance is pretty straightforward too. There are clear timelines for filter replacements every 6, 12, or 24 months, depending on the type. So you can plan ahead and avoid interruptions. Plus, the 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio means you're saving water compared to many traditional RO systems. Certified to NSF and international standards, the G3P600 fits right in with a health-focused lifestyle. With widespread use across American homes, you can have some peace of mind about reliability and ongoing support should you need it. If you're looking for a water filter that fits neatly under the sink and tackles a wide range of contaminants, this 3-stage system from Clearly Filtered is built to impress. It's sized at just 15 inches long by 3.1 inches wide by 15.4 inches high, so you won't have to sacrifice much cabinet space. And it hooks directly to your cold water line without needing an extra faucet. As one of the best undersink water filters on the market, you'll notice the difference right away with features like Affinity Filtration technology, which helps remove up to 99.99% of over 232 contaminants. That includes things you might worry about, such as chlorine, lead, fluoride, and PFAS, but the filter leaves beneficial minerals in your water. Third-party labs have independently tested the system to NSF and ANSI standards, so its performance claims are verified. Installing the system is straightforward and doesn't require special plumbing skills, just a wrench. The filter construction is both BPA and BPS free and made with materials that meet medical grade standards. For renters and homeowners, the portable design makes it easy to take with you if you move. You'll only need to change the filters about once a year, making the system low maintenance. The 3 stages include a coconut carbon pre-filter to trap sediment and chemicals that affect taste and odor, along with advanced media layers that work to bind a wide range of invisible toxins. With every glass, you get water that's been purified for cooking, cleaning, or drinking, without losing the minerals that make it taste fresh. Overall, if you care about the safety and quality of your tap water, this undersink unit delivers solid peace of mind without any hassle. With the Aquasana Claryum 3-stage max flow, you get a reliable way to filter your tap water directly under your kitchen sink. This system uses a 3-stage filtration process, combining submicron and micron filtration with adsorption to reduce a range of contaminants, including lead, chlorine, and pharmaceuticals. At the same time, it leaves in minerals like calcium and magnesium, so your water retains a natural taste. You can really see why many people consider it to be the best undersink water filter. One of the main benefits is the 44% increase in flow rate compared to the standard 3-stage system. You don't have to wait long for a glass of filtered water, and the system is built to handle up to 800 gallons or about 6 months before needing a filter change. The supplied pre-filter maximizes longevity, and you can join an auto-ship program to ensure filters arrive right when you need them. Installation is designed to be user-friendly, and you don't need to hire a plumber. The included faucet fits a 1/2-inch hole, which is the same size as most soap dispensers or side sprayers. If you're renting, you can later remove the system and return your plumbing to its original condition without hassle. The brass T-fitting connects to a 3/8 of an inch water line, which is a standard size in many kitchens. The dedicated faucet is tested for safety, free from lead, and does not introduce unwanted chemicals. You can expect filtered water on demand while keeping healthy dissolved minerals intact, and the system's BPA-free design addresses common health concerns. Day-to-day use feels seamless. Changing filters is straightforward, and there's an optional indicator for reminders. The filter technology focuses on reducing up to 99% of 78 contaminants, so your water tastes and smells fresh without relying on purified water or reverse osmosis. If you're looking for strong water filtration, the highly rated Waterdrop X12 uses an 11-stage reverse osmosis process. Its precision RO membrane is rated at 0.0001 microns and is made of 16 layers, which means it can handle a broad range of contaminants like lead, fluoride, arsenic, PFOS, and chlorine. You won't have to wait around for clean water either. The 1200 GPD capacity gives you constant, fast-flowing filtered water for cooking, drinking, or preparing baby formula. Unlike traditional systems with tanks, this unit is tankless, so it frees up space under your sink and works efficiently right from the tap. One detail you'll notice is the alkaline boost feature. With each filtered pour, your water is infused with minerals like calcium and magnesium. This raises the pH level to around 7.5, which can improve both taste and the mineral content of your water, making the X12 one of the best under-sink water filters available. There's a smart digital faucet included, allowing you to see the total dissolved solids, TDS, in real time and track filter life easily. You can also set specific amounts for precise filling, like for a coffee pot or water bottle, which makes it handy for everyday routines. On the sustainability side, the Waterdrop X12 conserves water with a 3:1 pure-to-waste ratio. The RO filter lasts up to 24 months, which also means less frequent replacements and fewer hassles. It's covered by a 2-year warranty, so you have some extra reassurance along the way. So, what is the best under-sink water filter on the market? Overall, I definitely say that the popular Cloud RO is the best under-sink water filter that money can buy. Cloud RO is designed for anyone looking for a simple and effective way to get clean drinking water straight from the kitchen. It connects right under your sink and includes its own faucet for drinking, making it easy to use without having to modify your main tap. You'll also have the option to hook it up to your fridge or place it in the basement, thanks to the built-in hydraulic pump that keeps pressure steady throughout your setup. What sets Cloud RO apart is its advanced multi-stage filtration system. This filter removes up to 99% of common contaminants like PFAS, lead, fluoride, and pesticides using NSF-certified technology. Water passes through a remineralization stage as well, so you get fresh-tasting water with added minerals like calcium and magnesium for a more balanced alkaline profile. Installing the Cloud RO is designed to be straightforward, and the battery-powered operation means there's no need for electrical outlets under your sink. Most people find they can finish the setup themselves in less than an hour. Using the included video guide, there's a dedicated stainless steel faucet in the package, plus plenty of tubing to fit your unique kitchen layout. The Cloud system also comes with smart features, such as internal sensors and an app that tracks both your water quality and filter usage. You'll be notified exactly when a replacement is needed, making maintenance predictable and hassle-free. Filters typically last 9 to 12 months for a family of 4, and the user-friendly design means swapping them out only takes a few minutes. You get a 2.8-gallon holding tank, so there's always fresh, filtered water available. The compact main unit fits most under-sink cabinets without crowding your space, and the included battery pack lasts as long as your filters do. All the parts you need, system, tank, filters, faucet, and battery, come in the box, so you're ready to go as soon as it arrives. When you consider what you spend on vitamins, gym memberships, and organic produce, buying the best under-sink water filter might be your most economical health upgrade yet. For just cents per day, you're eliminating dozens of potential contaminants from the substance you consume more than anything else. Now that's what you call a strategic health investment. Links to each product are at the top of the description box.